In primetime news this evening, stakeholders react to court ruling clarifying security guard status.
5 teens held in connection with grisly killing of homeless Kingston man.
And low attendance at Kingston Technical after fatal stabbing of 16-year-old girl. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Giovanni Dennis. In the financial week later, Jamaica Boilers is closing its operations in Haiti. We'll tell you why.
And with a preview of what's to come in sports, Jordan Fort is here. Jordan?
Well, Janella, the Jamaica Tallowas are hunting their third CPL title. They're currently playing the Barbados Royals in the final of the CPL in Guyana. I'll tell you an update in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you agree that school boards should be left to decide on the institution's hair and grooming policy? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at television Jam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.